walked alone through streets so cold. No hand to hold, no one to know. But deep inside, a voice so low whispered, "You're not alone, let it grow." The sky may cry 1,000 tears, but every drop will wash the fear. And in the silence you will hear a heart that's waiting to draw you near. It will rain, but you will rise. The storm will fade beneath your skies. You are love, you are enough. Even if you've never heard it once, from the pain a light is born, a family found beyond the norm. Hold on tight through every strain. There is love, even in the rain. They say a home is brick and wall, but I believe it's deeper than all. It's found in hearts that choose to stay, to see your soul and never stray. So if the nights are loud with doubt and you can't seem to shut it out, know someone's sending love your way to lift you gently into day. It will rain, but you will rise. The storm will fade beneath your skies. You are love, you are enough. Even if you've never heard it once, from the pain a light is born, a family found beyond the norm. Hold on tight through every stream. There is love, even in the rain. You are the spark, the dream, the fire, the echo of a world entire. Don't need the past to prove your worth. You write your heaven here on earth. It will rain, but you will bloom. The sun will break this heavy gloom. You are seen, you are strong. You've been loved all along. And every heart that's ever torn, in healing arms that keep you warm. Don't be afraid to dream again.